Hello, my humans, and today I'm gonna be playing Choo Choo Charles. I am terrified. I go on settings. Let me see. I should change my settings real quickly. Oh, let's see here. I think my game's lagging a little. That's bad. There's just no one in. No. Okay. I'm actually sort of scared, not gonna lie. I guess that's my trend. My computer is being laggy. This game's gonna lag so.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends. And even my own son are still out there.
How big is it, Eugene?
If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll
His
be
mouth
the
isn't
biggest
moving.
attraction your city's ever seen.
I'm gonna
And
go
you
closer
can
to
help
one
a friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope
Okay,
you're ready
here,
for
just
a
close
little
the door.
monster hunt.
They're not real doors, so you can just push them and then they open immediately. I was not. I can't believe I got times. I don't know why I just said something about like all my videos ever. But what is? Oh, loading road. Game auto says that you play pick up or you love off every time. Okay, it's good to know. The video ends when my doorbell rings because my cousin's coming. So when she comes, the video ends.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
They
so
call him
like-
Charles. Half trained,
So like
half
2
biggest
FPS.
spider from hell.
Like,
We've been planning his demise.
half train,
for
half
some time
giga
now.
spider from
I have
hell.
nearly everything in
Those
the
are two things I do not like.
Just a few people to meet, places to see. Simple errands, you know.
Sure those
Yes,
are-
sir.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Ahhhhhh,
Isn't
the
that like?
island where miners
Isn't that
dig
like
their
the
own
fear?
graves. Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
RT. Oh, okay. So click to interact with items. What? Wait, where am I supposed to go? There we go. I have nothing more to lose here. I made up my mind to swim to the main. I like won't make it, but I still see chances of being higher out there than this forsaken block. You swim like 2 feet out. Yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, it looks like you're making it to the mainlands. Totally. Yeah. Yeah, you're making it to the mainlands. Let's go. These
There's a train shed at the top.
There's
of the hill.
a train meter. I just noticed it.
One of the train operators was, if we can get to it, stay close.
Can I
We don't want to
listen
be
to that?
exposed for
I'll
too
probably just
long.
watch a YouTube video. So, I go watch it. Oh my god, bro is an Olympic runner. Is there a sprint meter? Like, do I have infinite energy? Oh my god, bro's running like he's in the Olympics. But how do you run that fast? How does any human? Okay, this guy, you cannot tell me he's not an Olympic runner. That's faster.
Shucks, it's locked.
Like, I bet you could beat Sonic.
Not to worry, we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map, I just marked the location on it.
Oh, you said that fast.
See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
I'm gonna open map. Hello? How do I go to mark go? Oh, yeah. Okay, I just need to, you just gotta mark the location, okay? I'll close my map. useful. I'm probably gonna forget that though. I've watched like one YouTube video that like barely, and I know that you gotta mark a bunch of locations. I don't know. That was a lie. I don't know. Oh, train station key, a small gold key. Okay. Can you just press like escape to leave my list? 5 minutes in, we haven't even gotten a train. Do we get a train though? Like, I don't know. I thought he was gonna be dead like in every horror game. Like you leave a person for 2 seconds, or you know.
Good on you! Looks like you found
And
it.
then they die.
Open up that door and lead the way.
Baby's first mission got him. Yeah, my game is pretty laggy. Okay, I'm getting in that. So is Charles, is he gonna be the, I mean, Eugene, is that a gun? Your epic changes to navigate quickly on. Navigate the island. A weapon and shield against your foes. Your respawn point if things go wrong. Why would that happen? Interact with items around the cab using them. There is a blueprint. Oh, scraps. You gotta find scraps to upgrade stuff, I guess. Oh, I probably don't have any. How do I get out of this? Oh, it says 0 scraps. Escape? There, yeah. There's a yellow paint bucket. I bet I can change the color. There's this thing. Okay, that probably knew the train. But what is this giant gun? What is it eating? Look to aim. How do I get out? 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 Escape. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, you scared me. I don't remember.
The exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be
I
intact.
tend to use only one headphone here.
That we can line
Oh,
up Charles
I
with it
accidentally
and take him down before he even sees us coming.
Yeah, he's a demonic spiritual from hell, and this is a regular train. Yeah, like that's.
Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Eugene's eyes are pretty weird. But didn't like one person make this? How? He doesn't sound like that. That's for sure. Wait, what? Wait, what was that? Wait, E. If I hold E, is there a peeking mechanic? Was I supposed to do that yet? Oh, wait, do I have to move the train now? Oh, okay, what?
Yeah, baby!
Didn't expect to run.
We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him! It's him! Get the gun! Line up! Line up!
Where is he? Oh,
Careful!
there.
Don't let the gun overheat! He's not taking enough damage! Get some headshots!
Where'd he go? Right there. I played Edward the Man-Eating Train and it was nothing like this. Eugene is taking damage. Eugene did like separate stuff and die. When does he die?
This isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still fight like the old days. Yes, sir. Easy in.
Yes, sir.
Easy out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You need to do more than I thought.
No!
I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs. Find my son.
Shane! No, 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 Shane! You Shane! Okay, that's enough mourning his death. I'm gonna go back to the train. So, do I just keep going? Is there anywhere else to go? What's this? Optional mission, optional mission. Ooh. Hard mission. Weapon mission? So, I don't want to do that one. I'll try that. I'll try it. Okay, I'll try to do that mission. I don't know what the missions are like, but, I want to do weapon missions. Do I get weapons? Can I get more weapons? Probably have to look out for young Charles. Rail switching. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, what the heck? How? What was that? I got off the train and then got launched. Wait, which way do I need to go? I need to go that way to get that mission. I got off the train and then I just got yeeted. Okay. Let's stop your train. How do I change it? That's it. How do I switch it? How do I switch it? Signs indicate upcoming track splits. Go light. Oh, there's a lever? Where? Oh. There we go. Back my train before Charles murders me brutally like a lieutenant. Game sort of seems easy. Just collect scraps and collect scraps, I guess. It feels like we're going to collect scraps. I don't know. I'm looking out. I'm looking out. Look out. For anything. Just see here. Mission. Oh, giant cube. Is that a window? No, stop! 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 No. Bad train. What do I name my train? How many? I wonder if anyone names their train. Probably like 100 people do. I'm gonna name them like Moo Moo Martin. Yeah, my train's
told us
name
we'd
is
have a
Moo Moo
newcomer
Martin.
soon. I suppose that would be you.
Moo Moo Martin. Yeah, I'm the owner
There's
of
some
Moo Moo
scrap
Martin.
metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train. Here's the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here. And, they'll do whatever they can to help.
Don't draw on my
Anyway,
map.
not wearing a mask, that is. Check
is
out the
my map.
balcony, and good luck with everything.
Wait, what do you mean not wearing a mask? Wait, people are gonna be wearing masks? Bro, we got Dream in here? Dream? Oh, the balcony, right? Okay, I'll something. How do I get to the balcony? Is there stairs? A ladder? Something? Why did you mark it on my map? Don't draw on my map. I didn't even give you. Oh, I didn't give you permission to draw on my map. You can't do that, miss. I didn't give you permission to draw on my map. Wait, what? I thought you said on your balcony. What else did she? Okay. Oh, from Candice. Candy's nuts. Oh wait, she gave me the key? Did she now? Wait, oh yeah, he did that. She has a lot of scraps. I suppose I could upgrade my train with these. She said that. Wait, now that you have some, oh, I guess you get a Steam badge for every single housekeeping. I played the Choo Choo Show's Roblox game. It was pretty weird. Oh, yeah, I need the unmarker. Can I unmark that? Or do I have to? Okay, now I'm gonna mark that. Okay, here we go. You guys can also put escape to get out of stuff. Oh, yeah, my trainer is a little bit ahead right there. I'm scared Charles is gonna come out of nowhere and start murdering me and I'm gonna die. I wish Eugene didn't die. I wanted Eugene to stay with me the whole game. Then he died. Oh wait, I just remembered. I need to upgrade my train. Stop me. Sandals are pretty good. Oh, 72. My train's going pretty slow. I'm gonna upgrade some armor though. Can I? Wait, oh. Wait, how many scraps is this? 3 scraps? 7 scraps? 3 scraps, 3,000. Ooh, my health. I can repair it with 1 scrap. Okay, that's that. And only if I hear that boom, boom, then I will start. Rip you again. So far, I actually haven't been that scared. I mean, I only saw a demonic spider train from hell once. Can you beat the game train? Okay, stop. Wait, my train actually stopped. No, it's still. Well, I'm at like 4 FPS. Is that scrap? Yay. You won.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see. This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however.
What? You mean
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death.
Whoa!
Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine. There's an egg in the mine just down. Here's the key to the mine.
Okay. Now can I mark yeah, I want to mark that. I'm gonna click the mark. Oh, good. on the other way, like if you go to the way, check the map. Does your train go through? Yeah. Oh, it's right there. What's the temple? Oh, what? Wait, do I get like a hand weapon or can I change my train weapon? Is there multiple train weapons? There's a shed right there. Oh my god. Is that a house on fire? Can I do that way? Yeah, but nice house you got there.
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, it has slightly backfired.
First of all, why would you test it inside and yeah.
Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang.
Second of all, it is raining. It just started raining.
I would love to save the shed though.
Me too.
If an flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it. I'd assume you're...
Yeah, I'm a monster. Wherever we go. I did see a water tank when I did that falling down. Only can tell that I I suppose I gotta... Oh, that's good, I guess. Dang.
using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius.
Bug spray, Blaze. Bug spray?
Here,
Pure
take
genius.
old bug spray. Cause of this chaos.
It's right there.
I don't want to...
So you don't want to see it, even though you spent probably like a year making it? That's probably too much. Oh, orange paint. Oh, I don't know how that looks. If orange doesn't look good on me, it probably doesn't look good on, what's it called again? What did I name it? It's not, it's, I don't know. I'll have to look at it after I make this video. Where is my train? I'm there. Oh, I'm so far away from my train. I don't even know where my train is. Can I mark my train? Okay. Here we go. I swear I will not stop playing until Charles comes. Or, you know, like I said, until I... Is that Charles? I think that's Charles. Shoot, Charles. That was Charles. Wasn't that... Or was that my train? Wait. Oh, the flamethrower's right there. Can I test this out? It overheats very quickly. Wait. Can I change my train while it's overheating? I need my gun. Right now. It's overheated, so can I go get that one and then use it? I think so. So if my gun overheats, I can just go get another one and then start shooting. I got 3 scraps. Man, my arm is expensive. Oh, okay, I'm out. I'm gonna equip. What's the number? Let's see how orange paint looks. get yellow. I want to get purple pin. See, and oh yeah, I should totally mark the mine. I need an egg. No. Video iron. Wait, can I pull? Can I pull this? Oh my god, this game just got better. Just because you can pull that, that makes this game like 10 times better. Shoot, dang. Because of this game. Hey, I'm scared. I'm scared of nothing. I mean, come on. When am I gonna see Charles again? Ever? What happens if they're wearing masks? Can I put one on to disguise this? I get in there to scrap, so I'd assume so. Oh, right here, there's an entrance. I didn't notice that. Well, free scrap. Hey. Is that a gun? This is here talking about the mask people. Are there gonna be freaking people with guns trying to shoot me? Shoot Dane? At least now it's like leaving breadcrumbs. I now know where. So there's gonna be people trying to shoot me in here. Those masks. Because she said not to trust people with masks. Or not to listen. Then we're gonna have to do that. Let's check here. There's a note. While mining the farthest tunnel, we broke through a wall into a large cavern. There's something strange here and we don't know what it is. We're requesting that Mr. Warren visit the southern mine. There is convenience to get us further instruction. Eugene is a miner. And so he works for Warren's, I guess. I think it said something about Warren Charles III owning like a mining company. What's this? Do I need? How do I open it? Do I need a key? I think I need a key, or you just can't open it. Okay, tell me to keep going. What was that? Not the lightning. Oh, that's a dead end. Oh, that's crap. Yeah, you can only tell by like the yellow stuff. The yellow. What was that? Not fire take damage. Can I take damage from fire? Who's whistling? Oh, Q's to do it the other way. Oh, there's a guy. Oh.